Hi guys, my name is Christine and I am the Customer Success Manager here at Avail. And today I'm going to take you through how to add a credit card and then schedule a payment online with that credit card. So first things first, I'm in my account and I can see that it is allowing me to either add a bank account or credit card. You can actually have both in your account and you can even pay a partial payment from your bank account, a partial amount from your credit card. It's up to you as the tenant. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to just take us through the credit card route. So I am on my credit cards page. I can also navigate here from my user account settings over here, where I could go to my credit cards tab. So I'll go ahead and click add new credit card, where it's going to ask for my credit card details. So I'm just going to pop these in here. And then click save card. Great, so it looks like that has saved. You can see that you always have full control to remove these, add a different card. You can have multiple cards in here at once. So yeah, it's certainly an area where you can manage your own credit cards. I'm now going to navigate to my payments tab, where I can locate all of my charges. So I can see here that my next upcoming payment is for May. I have agreed to initiate this a little bit earlier with my landlord. So I'm going to click pay, and then it brings me to my actual payment screen. So I can see the balance is $1,200. I'm going to pay that full amount of $1,200, and then it's defaulting to my only payment source, which is my credit card. Again, I can still change my card from here. One thing about paying with credit cards that you should certainly take note of is there is a 3.5% convenience fee. So you can see that that's totaling to $42 on this total amount. So I'm actually going to be paying $1,242 versus just a flat $1,200. So something to keep in mind with credit card payments. I know a lot of our tenants like to use and get points for their credit cards, so they opt for this option. Or if you're tight on funds, this is also a great option for you. So just something to be aware of though. One of the perks of paying with a credit card is you can withdraw same day. So as long as you're initiating this payment before 2 p.m. Central Standard Time, you can have this withdrawal within the same day. So I'm going to say, yep, I want to pay this today on April 17th. Today is a Friday, so that's why there is some delay for deposit date, because it's having to wait for the actual weekend. And then it takes 1 business day to actually process over. So my landlord will receive these funds on Tuesday, April 21st. But I want to do just one more look through to make sure everything looks correct here. I'm paying $1,200, but with the processing fee, that's totaling to $1,242 with my credit card ending in 4242. That's withdrawing today, and that will deposit to my landlord on the 21st. So everything looks good here, so I'm going to go ahead and click Schedule Payment. Excellent. So it looks like that payment was scheduled. I can see here it is giving me the details. Great, that all looks wonderful. I can see the timestamp of when I actually scheduled this. My landlord just received an email letting them know that I initiated this payment, and then I should have also received an email with a receipt that I have scheduled this payment. So wonderful. It looks like I have paid that in full, and that is now processing. If you have any other questions about how to schedule a payment with credit cards, please feel free to reach out to us. We're available at support@avail.co. Have a great day. Thanks.